update. I have had a bit of an issue with one of my vans. The black van that I had earmarked to take with me camping next weekend on the 14th with a few of our van club members, El Grand Van Club, and I've had some issues with it. I put it in to be painted. The two side panels, the body kit down the sides, like I showed you in one of my last videos, all the paint was fading off and coming off, and it needed to be sanded down and resprayed down both sides. They had a bit of a problem with it. They sprayed it, but the paint had a bit of a reaction with some sort of chemicals or something in the plastic of the side panels, the body kit there, and it reacted and it went all sort of scungy. So they have to wait for the paint to dry and go hard, then they have to sand it all down again before they respray it again. So that's put it back quite a few days. So I'm really hoping that it's going to be ready for our camping trip coming up on the 14th. I was really hoping to take that van on the camping trip. The other two white Earl Grands here are basically finished, but I've got really good strong interest in that. I think they will be sold very soon, so I don't really want to take those on a big road trip. So it's fingers crossed, and I'm really hoping that they sort out this paint job and get it repainted, and so that it has a little bit of time to set and go hard and ready to take on a big trip next weekend on the 14th. So fingers crossed on that, we can get that paint job sorted. I'm pretty excited. Hopefully it might be delivered early next week if all goes well. And I'm looking forward to it because it's going to be a really, really nice van once that's all that painting's done. It's going to come up like a brand new van. So really looking forward to seeing it. But I'm just hoping it's done on time for the camping trip. Now I've got a big box of these hats. I've got a huge box of these hats that I've imported. And we're going to put the Kiwi Vanman or the Van Club logo on the front. KVM Camper Vans and the website. Or maybe the name of the camping van club on here. We're going to get that printed. Not sure if I'll get it embroidered. I think I'm going to print it. We're going to get our own equipment, our own printer and heat press, and we're going to start doing our own van club t-shirts and caps for the Vanman channel. So those will be available to you guys if you would like a Vanman hat, a Kiwi Vanman hat, or a Vanning Club cap. Let me know in the comments, because there'll be t-shirts and caps, and we're going to have cups as well, camping cups with the channel logos on it, or maybe we'll put the name of the van club on the cups. So let me know what you think in the comments if you'd like some of those. They're going to be available for all the subscribers on the channel, but they'll be priced in such a way you won't believe it. They'll be way cheaper than going into Rebel Sport or the warehouse or somewhere else to buy a cheap hat. These are very, very good quality hats with a metal buckle on the back. Very good quality ones, and they'll still be, you'll still pay less than what you would, in the shops when you go and buy one. Plus they'll have our Vanman logos and everything on the front. So if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments. But they are beautiful hats, very, very comfortable, and they look good when they're on. Mind you, I can make anything look good, right? Maybe not. Anyway, that's an update on the van. Fingers crossed there, guys. Well, this is all the old gear this is all my camping gear out of the old van, which I brought out here. Got it all set to go into the new van when it comes back from the paint shop. Can't believe there was so much in there. I got these roof racks here as well I'm going to put on. Yeah, my fold-up chair, the tailgate tent. I have got my my marquee awning put aside here. I'm going to take that with me on the camping trip because there's going to be about 5 or 6 vans with us. So in the evening or in the afternoons we can sit around the table under the marquee or in the big marquee awning there. So that'll be quite a lot of fun. You've got to have a bit of cover. Either from the sun or the rain or whatever. So I'm taking the tailgate tent plus the marquee. So quite a bit to take this time, but all this stuff was just standard camping stuff really from my van. I can't believe I had so much in there. It's incredible. If you ever clean out your camping van, I think you'll be shocked as well to the amount of stuff that you drag out. And you have to drag it all out from time to time just to give everything a proper clean, really. Well, there's not actually a lot happening at Vanman Mansion at the moment. Pretty much out of furniture. The vans have been flying out. This van is waiting for a side cabinet. Then I've got my black van, which will be coming back this week sometime. That needs to be fitted out with some furniture. The boys over at Mount Wellington in the KVM wood cutting factory, they are getting some furniture cut out and ready for me. They'll be getting that over to here hopefully Wednesday. So that gives me 2 or 3 days to get the furniture into this van and get some furniture into the black van and get that finished and ready to go camping on Saturday. So it's going to be a full-on week, guys. It's going to be crazy. Plus, I've got buyers coming on Wednesday to look at this van, plus another van that is in Midas at the moment and getting serviced. So it's pretty full-on this week. It is going to be crazy. Now, a big announcement. This Wednesday, we are doing a live stream. Okay, we're going to sit around the campfire, have a good old natter, spin a few yarns. I'll show a few funny videos, maybe from the past. We're going to have a look at some lovely graphics on a custom van that I did a long time ago. On the last stream, I showcased the pirate van, the Buccaneer. On this stream, I'm going to showcase another van that I put beautiful graphics on. So that is on Wednesday night, 8 o'clock Kiwi time. So put this announcement on your Facebook, put it on Twitter, put it on all your posts. Tell everyone in New Zealand who loves camping vans, we're going to have a live stream on Wednesday night on the Kiwi Vanman channel. And we're going to talk about our upcoming camping trip on Saturday the 14th. And we're going to talk about, well, we can talk about whatever you want. You can ask questions about the self-containment, although we've just about had enough of that subject. Maybe you're building out your van, okay? You can ask questions in regards to that. You can tell us how your project is going. Tell us your favorite camping spots. We're going to talk about where we are going on Saturday with the van club. Been trying to think of some names for our little van club, our van camping club. I'm sort of leaning towards the Highway Stars, the Highway Star Vanners. I quite like Highway Star. Now maybe you don't have a Nissan Highway Star, maybe you've got a Toyota or a VW or whatever, it doesn't matter. If you're in your van and you're out camping, as far as I'm concerned, you are a star, okay? You are a Highway Star. So I'm leaning towards that for a name, the Highway Star Vanners. I think it rolls off the tongue. It's quite nice, really. So I've got a bit of a poster design here, but I'm working on some poster designs that I can use for t-shirts and caps, and maybe on our coffee cups, and maybe a little van club sticker we can put on the back of our van. That will be cool to say we're part of the Kiwi Vanman channel's camping van group. A very elite group of campers, okay? Only good looking people and nice people in this group. So it's very elite, okay? So I'd love to see you on Wednesday. Tell everybody, spread the news. 8 o'clock on the Kiwi Vanman channel. We have a live stream. We're going to talk about all things in regards to camping vans, whatever you want to talk about. Anyway, I better keep running, figure out what I'm going to do. Hopefully my van gets back this week, the black one, and I can start getting it ready for our trip. I'm leaving Auckland Saturday morning. Talk soon, guys. Enjoy your camping van. Enjoy your camping projects and trips. And I'll see you on Wednesday night. Keep safe, keep well, keep coming back, and over and out.